Ever feel like you're doing everything right, but your energy crashes by 2 p.m.? Maybe it's not your schedule. Maybe it's your food. Today I'm breaking down the foods that secretly drain your energy and the powerhouse foods that fuel it all day long. Hey everyone, I'm John, a certified nutrition coach and wellness expert. If you've ever struggled with fatigue, brain fog, or feeling unmotivated, this video is for you. We're going to cover the 5 worst energy draining foods, the 5 best energy boosting foods, and how to build meals that keep you focused, active, and in control. 5 foods that drain your energy. 1. Refined carbs and white bread. White bread, pasta, pastries. They spike your blood sugar, then crash it. This leads to sudden fatigue, mood swings, and cravings. Swap with whole grain bread or oatmeal to stabilize energy. 2. Sugary energy drinks and sodas. Loaded with sugar and caffeine, these give you a temporary high, followed by a brutal crash. Plus they dehydrate you, making fatigue even worse. Try green tea or sparkling water with lemon instead. 3. Fried and greasy foods. Fried chicken, fries, greasy burgers. Your body uses a ton of energy to digest them. This slows you down mentally and physically. Bake or air fry your meals. Add avocado or nuts for healthy fats instead. 4. Alcohol, even in small amounts. A glass of wine at lunch or evening drinks ruin your sleep quality, even if you think you slept well. Try herbal teas like chamomile or tart cherry juice if you need a one-down drink. 5. Low iron or low protein meals. If you're skipping meat, legumes, or iron-rich foods, your body can't carry oxygen efficiently. Result? Constant tiredness. Include lean proteins and leafy greens in every meal. 5 foods that fuel your energy. 1. Oats and whole grains. Oats are slow-digesting carbs that release energy gradually. They keep your blood sugar stable and your brain sharp. Top oatmeal with berries, nuts, and a spoon of almond butter. 2. Bananas. High in potassium, natural sugar, and fiber. Bananas are the perfect pre-workout or afternoon snack. 3. Leafy greens and iron-rich veggies. Spinach, kale, broccoli. Loaded with vitamins and iron. They support oxygen flow and brain health. Pair with citrus, like lemon, to absorb more iron. 4. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, tuna. Packed with omega-3s, they reduce inflammation, boost brain performance, and stabilize mood. Not into fish? Try chia seeds or walnuts. 5. Water plus electrolytes. Dehydration is a silent energy killer. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue and brain fog. Start your day with water plus a pinch of sea salt, or add cucumber, mint for flavor. Build the ultimate energy meal. Here's how to build an energy-packed meal in 5 minutes. Base, quinoa or brown rice. Protein, chicken, tofu, eggs, greens, spinach or broccoli. Healthy fats, avocado, olive oil. Topping, seeds or berries. If you want to wake up energized, stay focused at work, and feel good all day long, it starts with what's on your plate. Ditch the crash foods. Eat to fuel your life. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more weekly health videos, and drop a comment, "I'm eating to feel alive." Let's build energy from the inside out.